Natural disasters like volcanoes, floods, and earthquakes kill an average of 60,000 people per year. In Colorado, car accidents during snowstorms and floods cause the most accidents. Flooding can be a major problem in Colorado. Another complication in Colorado is a serious flooding that can result when heavy rain falls on recently burned areas. Anyone living downstream from recently burned areas should be aware of the changed conditions, which result in much faster turbulent debris and ash-clogged waters from the burned area. As the Midwest ascends into another true winter weather snowstorm later this year, drivers need to be cautious before they head onto the roads. Snow, rain, slush, ice, and fog contribute significantly to car accidents. In addition to limited visibility, winter weather leads to slick roads, which are by far the most dangerous. Following these tips could potentially be life-saving.